Unlock your professional potential by transforming your GitHub profile into a powerful personal brand. First, craft a compelling README file. This is your digital handshake. Your elevator pitch. Use Markdown to introduce yourself, outline your expertise, and showcase your most impressive projects. Think of it as your personal landing page for the developer community. Next, strategically pin your best work. Select repositories that demonstrate a range of skills, from front-end wizardry to back-end robustness, or even insightful data analysis. Each pinned repository should have a concise description and clear labels for the technologies used. Leverage your profile's language statistics. Keep your coding active across various languages to create a vibrant and diverse visual representation of your technical breadth. This is a quick way for visitors to understand what you're proficient in. Showcase your commitment through your contribution graph. Consistent coding activity, even on smaller personal projects, demonstrates dedication and a passion for development that employers actively seek. Don't forget to link out to your other professional platforms. Connect to your website, LinkedIn, and even relevant social media to provide a holistic view of your presence and make it easy for people to learn more about you. Finally, flesh out your About section. Briefly mention your specializations, what excites you about technology, and any open source projects you're passionate about. Make yourself approachable and memorable. By implementing these steps, you'll create a GitHub profile that not only looks fantastic but actively works for you, attracting the opportunities you deserve.